Dalgona Coffee is currently trending sa social media, lalo na sa TikTok. Marami na ang sumubok nito, lalo na naka-enhanced quarantine tayo. Even na mga sikat na vloggers ay naglabas ng kani-kanilang version ng Dalgona Coffee Craze na ito. Kaya narito na ang ating version ng Dalgona Coffee. And here are the ingredients. Black coffee, any brand of fresh milk, sugar, hand mixer, ice cube. Kaya simulan na natin. First, we need 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sa aming version, 3 servings ang aming gagawin, kaya 6 tablespoons of sugar ang inilagay namin. Then, 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then we'll start mixing it manually. Then, we'll start the hand mixer. Ibibit natin siya 4 to 5 minutes until maging foamy siya. And i-check natin kung naging foamy na nga ba siya, or else itutuloy natin ang pagbibit. At pag okay na, i-ready na natin ang ice cube. At ilalagay na natin ang ating fresh milk. At ilalagay na natin ang ating nabit na coffee on top of the milk. At pag nailagay na natin lahat, meron tayong option kung lalagyan natin ito ng crushed Oreo. Make sure clean ang ating hands to do this para iwas sa sakit. And here's our version of Dalgona Coffee. Magiging masarap palalo ang pag-inom natin nito, lalo na kung may masarap na pagkain ang nakahain na luto ng iyong minamahal. Pansit, buffalo chicken, at homemade pizza. And that's all for our video for today. And we do hope you like it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you all again on our next vlog. Bye everyone!